So hello guys, I want to share you what I will do. So, marami akong avocado. I have a lot of avocado. This one I will put in frozen because I cannot eat a lot of this one. So, I have a lot of ripe one. And then, yeah, I have already ice cream there. And this one will be frozen. And this one, they said that you can make for something is good for your body. So I try to make this one to put in alcohol because it's good for cleanse, good for your bone aching like that because we're already old. So I use this one. I put in alcohol, then I hide that one for how many months? I don't know. Months or week? I don't know. I have what you call that pader. New seeds. So let's try. It's easy man to make. So why I should what you call that? It's easy to make. So let's make it, baby. Yeah, cause you know what I mean. If we cannot use really fast, we can use for how many months? So I have an alcohol there, then I will put it here. So gayat-gayatin lang natin to guys, then ilagay natin sa ganito. So this is fresh avocado, then I get the seeds, then after that's why it's brown because I just put in the hot sun. So yeah, I have 3 left there, then I will add on next day sureness. But you know what, I like to go to that area again to get the ripe one, but I'm scared because maybe the owner will visit there, then they will show me that I'm walking their property. You know what? Yeah, I've been there inside of their property because there's a lot of avocado pulled down because somebody get avocado nighttime. So I feel, oh, I can eat that one, I can do like this. So what story time? So what I do is I told Clef that there's a what you call that there avocado, and he said to me, why you don't get it? I said, it's a private property. If I go there, then somebody saw me and tell the owner, maybe they get mad at me. And Cliff said, how what you call that, it's much better you get that one rather the avocado will be rotten there. I said, yeah. So I'm just thinking for how many hours, 1 day and a half. Then on Sunday I just went there with Sahira. I let Sahira said, you're the one, go first. And Sahira said, no, I'm scared with snake. So I said, okay, I'll be the one. So I go first, then she follow me, and we get avocado, not the ripe one. Oh, no, she's been sleeping na. Not a ripe one. That's avocado. Then
the one cutting. What you gonna do? Make ice cream?
No.
Why put it in the alcohol?
So I can use this one if I have what you call that?
Alcohol itchy?
No, I have something, my bones were hurting like that. O sige, let your cat sleeping. So I went there. How many I get? It's 10 pieces. So I feel happy, but some of the avocado is the what you call that, near rotten. I make a ice cream. One bowl of ice cream. The what you call that? The 300 something, yeah. One of that I make it, and then I let Ate and Kuya eat that one, and Cliff has already tested and said, "Oh, it's yummy, it's mellow." So I said, "Yeah." She said, "If you don't get that one, it's in your mind playing. Why I don't get it? Why like that?" So now I get it. Then I feel like, oh, it's make myself satisfied because you know it's a blessing. But you know what? I don't know why somebody get their property that's not their plants and go there nighttime. We go there, guys, kuan. I think 10 o'clock. I don't care somebody saw me there because I want to get the avocado because it's already free. I can buy, but I said, oh, I want that one because I feel like it's a free already, you know. So then we get it. So we make a ice cream avocado, and I have two like this already saved in the freezer, and now it's already ripe, some of this, so I will make it frozen. So if I need it, I will put. Then yeah, I hope this will be more what you call that, stay more fresh. I love avocado, guys. So this one I will show you. Yeah. So we try. We are not dead if we don't try, right? So I have a lot of what you call that. I will make this one some, then I will buy some. I will buy more alcohol because I will give to Nanay and Tatay. I will make them try if this is good or not, because it's not smelling stinky because it's alcohol. So let's use what's the useful thing of this kind of fruits. Before I don't know, I'm just throw it away the seeds, but now I know. I will make an experiment. So I will explain next, then so you know. I will make it one video. So guys, this is 40%, but I need 70, but oh, who cares, right? So let's try. Don't be dumb. Look at the color. Just only now I put the color is changed. So I will hide this one. And this I will use in the other bone. So let's try to use this one, guys. It's already 3 days. Bye bye. Oh, this is avocado seeds that I cut up little bit, pieces.